A very good morning to one and all, and welcome back to your English elective classes. Okay, dear students, as we all know that we were doing the short composition of elective English, and in short composition, the lesson number one was going on. Okay, that is I sell my dream. Now here, as many paragraph we have completed, now we are end to this lesson. The last paragraph you can see. Now let's start. She laughed her irresistible laugh. You are as impotent as ever, she said, and said no more, because the rest of the group had stopped to wait for Neruda to finish talking in Chilean slang to the parrot along the Rambla. The Los Pajaros, when we resumed our conversation, Frida changed the subject. Okay. By the way, she said, you can go back to Vienna now. Only then did I realize that 13 years had gone by since our first meeting. Even if your dreams are false, I will never go back, I told her, just in case. At 3 o'clock, we left her to accompany Neruda to his sacred siesta, which he took in our house after solemn preparations that in some way recalled the Japanese tea ceremony. Some windows has to be open and some other to achieve the perfect degree of warmth, and there had to be a certain kind of light from a certain directions and absolute silence. Neruda fell asleep right away and woke 10 minutes later, as children do. When we least expects it, he appeared in the living room refreshed, and then with the monogram of the pillowcase imprinted on his cheek. I dream about that women who dreams, he said. Okay, till here, what we came to know that suddenly they stopped walking as the group has also stopped, and they were waiting for the Pablo to stop talking in Chiliana slang to the parrot along the Ramblas, and the Nebajoros called to be the streets of the birds. So the lady tells the author that now he can go back to Vienna, and 13 years has passed since she predicted to move out of Vienna. Okay, and after 13 years, she is telling to go to Vienna. And now so the author Gabriel tells here that even if you are dream or false, he will never go back. He is trying to tell her that he is so much taken aback by this dream of earth. He still feels afraid of going to Vienna. Okay, as in the earlier one, we have known that she told that you have to leave the Vienna for the 5 years, but now he's talking that the 13 years is there, but he's not returned to Vienna now. So now she's telling to return, but he says that if your it's if your dream is not true, then what will be? So I'm so scared of that. So the author tells her that when Pablo went for his afternoon naps, he opened up windows and closed the other. He wanted proper light to come to the room, and all his details were so minor that he failed. Was just like a Japanese tea ceremony. Okay, and which is very relate. After some time, Pablo returned that monogram of his pillow was encrusted on his forehead, and he told everyone that he had dreamed of the women who dreams. Okay, what she dreams? I dreamed she was dreaming about me, he said. Okay, here is talking about कि मैंने उसके बारे में ड्रीम देखा कि वो मेरे बारे में ड्रीम देख रही है, and that's right out of borders. I said. He looked at me in disappointment. Has he written it already? If he has not, he will write it sometime. Sometime, I said. I'll be one of his labyrinth. Okay. Now, as soon as he boarded the ship at 6 that evening, Neruda took his leave of us, sat down at an oscillate table, and began to write flute verses in the green ink. He used to drawing flowers and fish and birds when he dedicated his books at the first. All ashore, he will looked for Frau Freda and found her. What he found at last the tourist desk, just as we were talking of to leave without saying goodbye. Okay. So she too had taken a siesta. I dreamed about the poet, she said. Now, she's talking about ki, as it is said, ki his wife asked him that what was the dream. He told that the dream was dreaming of him. The author found Pablo dreams to be very funny and interesting. He says that ride of very Borges. Now Borges is George Louis Borges. Okay, it's full name. So he is a famous author. Pablo dream is just like a labyrinth. अब यहाँ पे labyrinth means कि something very confusing and puzzling. Okay, and then the author found Frau Frida on the deck of the ship during her afternoon nap, and she had also dreamed about the poet, and she tells him that she had dreamed that Pablo was dreaming of her. Both of them now similar dream. Okay, and again it's talking about ki I astonished means I asked her to tell her dream. I dream he was dreaming about me, she said, and my look as amazement disconcerted her. Why did you expect? Sometimes will all my dream once sleep in that has nothing to do with real life. Okay, I never saw her again or even wondered about her until I heard about the snake ring on the women who died in the Havana River disaster, and I could not resist the temptation of questioning an Portuguese ambassador who has when we happened to meet some months later at a diplomatic reception, the ambassador spoke about her with great enthusiasm and enormous admirations. You can not imagine how extraordinarily she was, he said. You would have been obliged to write the story about her. And he went on in the same tone with surprising details, but without the clue that would have allowed me to come to a final conclusion is, in concrete term, I asked at last, what did she do? Nothing, he said, with a certain disenchantment. She dreams. Okay, so then the author tells that after the disaster in Havana, he got the opportunity of meeting women Portuguese employ the ambassador at the diplomatic perception. So over there, he talked about the women. He asked the ambassador that what does she do. So the ambassador had said certain disenchantment, which means being free from illusion or false belief. And he says that she dreams. She has nothing to do. She just only dreams, and that was her profession. Okay, so this is what all about the story, the prediction, and why this story is known as the I Sell My Dream is. So hope the even I explained to you many things about this, and we went to paragraph, we went line by line also to make your concept so clear. Hope so. Maybe you will be able to understand that what does really mean. Understanding the concept, you can the text. You can see, did the author believe in the prophecy ability of the Frida? Definitely, he believes. And why did he think that Frida dream was a stamina for surviving? Why does the author compare Neruda to a Renaissance poet? So all the questions are necessary. If you will go through the questions, you will know the answer of it also, because knowing answer is becomes so easy for you all, because I have already explained you that what are the things are there. But I think we can look into the appreciation. Okay, appreciation, what the appreciation is. The story hangs on a gold ring shaped like a serpent with an emerald eye. Comment on the response of this image evoked in the reader. The craft of a master storyteller lies in the ability of interweave imagination and reality. Do you think that this story is illustrated? This brings out the contradictions in the last exchange between the author and the Portuguese ambassador. In concrete remarks at last, what did she do? Nothing, he said, and a certain enchantment. She dreams. Comment on the ironical elements in the story. Okay. So what are the languages works are there? Dream on, what is dream something away. So you can see the grammatical error also, you can find it. And hope what are the points are there to whom we can discuss. If there is any query, any doubts, any discussion for that, so please let me know so that we can continue it. Okay, so hope probably after discussing the question answer and going detail of the of this one once again, Then next we will know that is Eveline, which is written by James Joyce. This story we will be starting, in fact. Okay. So if there is any query regarding the first lesson, so please let me know that I can clear your queries as well. Okay. So till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.